Most design companies struggle with increasing costs from expensive man-hours associated with problems that arise from CAD-based design. The challenge of dealing with design revisions can amount to thousands of dollars per week in trying to execute monotonous, repetitive, and time-consuming tasks. How can you cut out these costs and keep your designers focused on actually designing? Introducing AutoPrep, the single most powerful drawing management tool for AutoCAD available in the industry. AutoPrep's full-featured software tools will automate time-consuming tasks, remove unwanted clutter, manage corrupt drawing files, streamline workflows, and more. This robust software solution will clean, prep, and organize drawing files so you can begin your productive design work immediately. You can also compare revision drawings to the project to see how it impacts your current design in just a few clicks. The powerful comparison tool eliminates human errors and will detect even the smallest details in order to maximize change order profits. Tasks that normally took days to complete can now be fulfilled in minutes using AutoPrep. AutoPrep was created by industry professionals just like you who were faced with the challenge of declining production, increasing costs, problem files, and the risk of missing modifications associated with continual design revisions. AutoPrep's developers understand the needs of today's CAD professional and have developed a robust tool that can pay for itself in one design project. All programming development for AutoPrep is kept in-house to allow prompt responses to customer needs and continuous software updates with new features that will increasingly make your design efforts more efficient than ever. AutoPrep will change the way you bid future projects, estimate timelines, and quote project costs by saving significant design hours on every job using AutoCAD. AutoPrep, your new design assistant. Contact us today and see how AutoPrep can work for you.